Use the included pry stick to remove the outer cover of the clasp. Please be patient and do not force it out. We won't need the outer cover for the rest of the installation process. Use the included screwdriver to unscrew the screws. We won't need the inner cover for the rest of the installation process, and the both sides need to be removed. Use scissors to cut the old outer skin. You will see the exposed green sponge. Peel off the top film. Peel off the sponge underneath. Ensure that the steel strip is clean, as it may affect the subsequent installation process. Place the bottom cover of the new headband on and keep the wire in the middle gap. Install the top cover of the new headband. Make sure the top and bottom covers of the new headband are securely fastened. Fold in any excess leather at the end of the top cover. Reinstall the original factory nameplate 1000XM3. Attach the included accessories and tighten the screws. Make sure the included screws are secure, and repeat installation process for other side.